Hello friends, welcome to StylEnrich. In today's video, we will make a magical greeting card that becomes colored when pulled out and becomes colorless when pushed in. Interesting, isn't it? You can offer this greeting card to your friends and loved ones and surprise them. Want to know how to make it? Just follow this tutorial carefully. Let's start by taking a color paper sheet of 6 inches by 7 inches. Fold one side of the sheet as shown. Now fold the sheet in half. Mark the measurement of 1 cm from each corner of the half sheet and cut it as shown. Now take a white sheet of size 4 inches by 7 inches. Measure 1 cm from both sides and fold the sheet as shown. Fold both the edges of this white sheet and apply glue. Stick this white sheet inside the folded red color sheet as shown. Now stick and close the other end of red sheet to form a pocket. So here we have created a pocket-like structure. This pocket will have 2 compartments as you can see in the video. Now let's take a white sheet of dimensions 3 inches by 7 inches and insert in this red pocket. Using pencil, draw markings on this white sheet along the edges of the red pocket as shown. You can carefully and creatively draw your message on this white space as shown. Let's color the message using sketch pen. You can use any color of your choice. We will stick a heart made of paper on this. So let's take a red colored paper and cut a heart shape out of it. Stick it using Fevi-stick. Draw a black outline around the heart. Now take a transparent plastic sheet of size 3 inches by 7 inches. Stick this transparent sheet at one edge. Hide this edge by covering it with a piece of red colored paper as shown. Now the most tricky part comes. Carefully draw the outline of this heart shape on the transparent sheet. See, now there are 2 designs, one on the transparent sheet and another on the white paper beneath the transparent sheet. Let's do the magic now. Insert these lights inside our red pocket, keeping transparent sheet in the upper side and white sheet in the lower compartment. See, when you pull these sheets out of the pocket, it will appear colored. When you push it back in the pocket, it will appear colorless. Gift this magical card to your loved ones and surprise them with your creative skills. Hope you loved watching our magical greeting card making video. Please share this video with your friends and family. Also, please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.